Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be explaining further expansions of brackets, which is chapter 6.1. So chapter 6.1, which is further expansion. So in further expansions, we will expand the fractions and brackets in order to simplify the answer and calculate the final answer as far as possible. So for example, if we have minus 10 and 3b plus 6, so what we will do is we will expand this by multiplying minus 10 with 3 and minus 10 with 6, which will be minus 30b plus, or sorry, this will be minus 60. So this will be minus 30p minus 60. So this is the very final answer. Another question is minus 6 4b plus 5q. So what we will do is minus 6 by 4 and minus 6 by 5, minus 24p minus 30q. So this will be the final answer. Then for part C, if we have 8x minus 2 brackets open, 3 minus 2x brackets, so minus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by minus 2x, so 8x minus 6 plus 4x, so 8 plus 4 is 12x minus 6. So this will be the final answer. Then another example for this is if we have minus 7f plus 3 minus 2f minus 7. So first we will expand this and write minus 7f minus 21 minus 6f plus 21. So minus 21 plus 21 will be cancelled, and minus 7f minus 6f will be minus 13f. So minus 13f will be the final answer. So guys, if you like this video and are clear with this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.